on our way. As I'm sure you know, tonight is the Purge night, that special time of year where for 12 continuous hours, all crime, including murder, is legal. But don't worry, we're taking you out to a Purge-free zone, allegedly. Pretty nice of our founding fathers, right? So we are actually on the scene with, well, a person who's been planning this all week for you. We got Jill St. Stevens out there. Hey, Jill.
Thank you for that fabulous introduction. Hello, everyone. My name is Jill St. Stevens, and it's my pleasure to welcome you to Universal's first annual Purge Party. You know, Universal Studios has long been a proud supporter of the Purge and our new founding fathers. Oh, I see some of you brought your children today. Fabulous! You're going to enjoy tonight. We have fabulous food, games, arts and crafts, and patriotic sing-alongs planned for you. Sounds a lot better than being locked up in the house all night with Mom and Dad, doesn't it? Fabulous! Now, before we begin, tour guide, can you give me your current location?
We are locked and loaded, passing dispatch, ready to roll.
Fabulous. Now, and one more. I hope they slaughter each and every last one of you. They're all yours. Fabulous.
Okay, well, we got rabbits. Ooh, that's new. Hello?
Hello? Can anyone hear me?
Yeah, we got you. Tram 13, we got you. What's up?
You have to help us. You've got to get these people out of here. You've got to do it now.
What people? Oh. Okay. Well, what do you need from us?
You have to get us out of here.
Okay, slow down. What is going on?
Listen to me. It's all a lie. There is no Purge-free zone. They're killing everyone.
Who's killing everybody?
You have to get us out of here.
Who's doing it?
Forever Purge.
What?
That's what they're calling themselves. They don't follow any rules. They don't listen to anyone. Even our so-called founding fathers, they don't care. They want it to be the Purge. Everywhere. All the time, never ending. There's children. You have to get us out of here. You have to get us.
Is that that's a head, okay. Well, that guy was on the last tram we were taking out.
There's no time. They're coming. You have to get us out of here before it's too late. Please.
Okay, well, ladies and gentlemen, I don't really know what to say other than sorry you had to see any of that. She's just being a little party pooper. We're not going to worry about that. It's Halloween. We're going to go have some fun. Who cares, right? Well, there she is. Do you see her? I guess we're going to take her up top. So we're going to pick her up. This is the end of the line for you. You're going to have to hop out. As soon as we come to a complete stop, we're opening these gates and you're going to go on your merry way. Got one last thing before you get out of here. Purge ever after. Forever Purge.